We started All Star Signs 17 years ago, basically in a garage. And I found Sign World organization who could help me get my sign company started. We do everything from exterior to interior signs, a large gamut from small little stickers to large pole signs and illuminated signs.
Sign World started offering the HP Latex in 2011 after performing an extensive beta test over the preceding year. And since that time, we've put approximately 100 latex units in the field in Sign World stores.
When I sat down with the guys and told them about the new HP Latex 360 machine we're going to receive, I said we want to run the dickens out of it and see what it can do. And we were just extremely pleasantly surprised.
Number one, the throughput of the machine is really outstanding. It is a very, very fast printer, which is important for this business, certainly.
We had found that the speed of the machine is probably at least 65% faster than the current digital printer that we've been using.
Secondly, the image quality is terrific, particularly when you look at things like solids, color gamut, the whole ball of wax. It's just terrific output.
The quality of the prints are so much better than we have found on our solvent printer. They're solid, the colors are more vibrant. It's really provided a much better product than we had anticipated.
And then the third thing is the latex ink allows the stores to go immediately to the next phase of production without waiting for an outgassing or an evaporation period for that ink.
It's terrific. It really is a huge benefit. From a productivity standpoint, there's no waiting. It just allows you to transition easily from one production level to the next.
Well, we certainly expect that when the Latex 360 begins shipping, that will be a device that we will migrate new stores to, as well as offer that to the existing owners.
We have enjoyed the HP Latex 360 so much that we really don't want it to leave our shop at this time, because we don't want to go back to our old ways. We like everything about it. And if anybody tries to take it from us, it's going to be a fight. And they're going to have to pull it from my cold, dead hands before they take it away from us.